This is a video from DigiD. This video explains how to activate the DigiD app via a letter. Download the DigiD app from Google Play or the Apple App Store. The app must be activated first. Are you unable to perform the ID check with your phone? And are you also not able to activate the app via an SMS? Then you can activate the app via a letter. You will need the following: a DigiD account, a smartphone or tablet, and the DigiD app. Open the app and tap Next. Enter your DigiD username and password. Tap Login. Tap Next again to choose a PIN code. Pick a PIN code and enter this code. From now on, you will log in with this, so remember it well. Repeat the PIN code. Tap Next. Leave the orange switch on if you want to receive messages about changes on your DigiD. Tap Next. Enter your email address if you haven't already done so. And tap Next. Then enter the verification code that was sent to your email address. Tap Next, and then tap OK. You will receive a letter with an activation code within 3 business days. With this, you can activate this app. Leave the orange switch on if you want to be reminded that you still need to complete the activation. Proceed to the activation of the app once you've received the letter. Did you receive the letter? Open the DigiD app and enter your PIN code. Tap I have received the letter. Enter the code that's in the letter. Tap Next. Now your DigiD app is activated. You can use it right away. Want to know more? Then go to digid.nl/en. DigiD is a product of the Government of the Netherlands.